Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm really excited to introduce the blue Yeti X, not to be confused with the Yeti. This is the X version, which is about $100 dearer than the normal Yeti and quite a bit more than the Snowball. Now, I'm really excited to bring this mic unboxing to you guys today. I just got this and I completely hate how JB Hi-Fi, I got this, there's a store here in Australia that's called JB Hi-Fi, they're the biggest, and I hated how they look after their stuff. So in terms of that, you know, like these sticky tapes they've put on, it's got a seal, if you can see it there, it's got a seal there, but they've felt the need to put on sticky tape everywhere and completely ruined it. Now this is basically it. Okay, all right, now let's try and open this without completely destroying the box, because I'm one of those annoying guys that likes to keep the boxes around. Okay, now that I've got that out of the way, let's get the actual seal open. And this is why I hate sticky tapes. Well, that took a millennia. All right, so that's it. It's got a nice little cutout for your finger to be able to pull this out, which is really nice to see. Looking inside the box, there's nothing else there. I'll move the box out of your way and let's get this boy opened. All right, so it's going to have to be done from here. Alright, so first things first, you get a little bit of a brochure kind of thing that tells you how to use this and what's the best way to start and what's everything. Just a real easy setup guide. The next set of paperwork is the warranty. And that's the warranty as well in different languages. It's got a nice little cushion here to protect the Yeti from damage. Look at that. Alrighty. There's the brand new Yeti there. X, by the way. X, got to say X, so it's not confused with the other one. Got a really nice long cable with it. Okay, so that's micro USB to USB. Alright, so that's good. Alright, let's get the Yeti out. Wow, this thing isn't too light either. Okay, let me leave this over here. And let's take a look inside the box. I think that's basically it. Yeah, that's it for the box. Now this thing is heavy, guys. Okay, so it's got nice soft cushioning here underneath it. It's got like really nice, that's metal, chrome metal finish there as well. The mic is like that, and I think you got to use it like this in this angle. It's got screws as well. Got the button here. I guess this is for the adjustment of the mic. How good is this? How good is the finish? It's got really high quality finish, guys. Look at that mesh to protect it there from any sort of damage. You've got the USB and audio jack down the bottom. That's basically it, guys. Alright, I hope you guys liked that video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Yeti X compared to the Yeti, and I'll be doing a review of this very shortly. So give me about 2 weeks to play around with this and I'll get one out to you guys. In the meantime, if you loved the video, like, subscribe, and also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks guys, take care, bye bye.